Holly, Joey, and Hannah. Say your name. Hannah. Okay. What do you know about the water cycle?
I don't know.
Okay, the water cycle has lots of processes. It has evaporation, condensation, precipitation, water, and it uses the sun to warm up the water. Okay. Okay, the water cycle is a really good process. It gives us the water we drink. Now you get
water on the outside of a glass where you have the cold water on the inside. It's like sweat on the glass.
All right. And how does condensation play into the water cycle?
You got the condensation, then the sun, with its beautiful rays, ray down onto the sun, onto the water. It evaporates into a fume, goes up in the air, and then it goes into the clouds. The clouds make it into pretty little raindrops. You know, not one single raindrop is like any others, or snowflakes, whichever one's correct. Yes, ma'am.
What are 4 types of precipitation?
We got rain, we got snow, we got sleet, we got hail.
Do you know what a tornado is?
I don't know, like some kind of twisty thingy.
No. It's a column of air that forms when hot air and cold air mix together, and it's very destructive.
Would you like to see my tornado dance?
Yes, I would.
Yeah, but I gotta spin around you. Danielle, do you know the definition of a storm?
What's a storm?
A storm is called, there's a lot of definitions for it, but the main definition is a disturbance in the atmosphere.
Well, okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Do you have it?
What?
The definition.
Yeah.
Good.
A thunderstorm is a small storm often accompanied by heavy precipitation and frequent thunder and lightning.
Okay. What is lightning?
Lightning is a sudden spark or electrical discharge as these charges jump between parts of a cloud, between nearby clouds, between a cloud and the ground.
More than likely, it's usually the wind.
And how does the wind do that?
Because you got like, there's some powerful winds, like the straight line winds. That's like, a hurricane like this, but it's kind of sideways. So you got winds that are like 100 and some miles per hour, which can knock down a huge tree.
What are the 4 types of fronts?
Well, I thought there were 5 fronts, but I was wrong. There's a cold front, a warm front, a stationary front, and an acute front.
Stationary front is when a cold front and a warm front come together and none of them meet the higher standards, so it just stops.
What kind of weather does a low pressure system bring?
I'm guessing rain.
Okay. A high pressure system normally
brings rain, sleet, snow, hail, and thunderstorms.
Weather systems are moved around by wind.
What is the first step in weather forecasting?
Collecting data.
Good job. Hey Ben, what's up?
Hi, I'm just reading science books.
Oh, what are you reading about?
Hurricanes.
What is a hurricane?
A hurricane is a tropical cyclone that has winds of 119 kilometers per hour or higher. A typical hurricane is about 600 kilometers across. Hurricanes form in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. In the Western Pacific Ocean, hurricanes are called, you guess, what are they called? I don't know. They're called typhoons.
Good job.
Snow is frozen precipitation. Oh gosh. Storm is a small storm often.
Violent disturbance in the atmosphere. Second, I'm going to tell you if it stands for drought.
Cold. Oh my god. What is an example of condensation?
Rain. Stop.
Alright, what is one example of condensation?
Rain.